My name is Jeremy Davis, and I'm a supervising chemist here at the Advanced Water Quality Assurance Laboratory, Orange County Water District. Besides supervising a staff of 7, I also work with mostly analytical instrumentation, just like the people whom I supervise. I work right alongside them and do your typical supervisory roles. I also am working with hazardous waste and chemical hygiene, safety, and the like. Mostly groundwater, which is water that is pulled up by wells, but we also work on some surface water. In Orange County we have the Santa Ana River, which feeds into the groundwater, so we're very interested in the water in the Santa Ana River. And we also have one of the world's largest indirect potable reuse plants that repurifies wastewater to better than drinking water quality. Well, first, we're always on the cutting edge of analysis as well as water repurification and recycling. After all, advanced is part of the name of our laboratory. It's the first word, Advanced Water Quality Assurance Laboratory. We have found that the mass spec is a much better detector for perchlorate. Formerly, we used a system also under the thermo group, but using a conductivity detector. And it worked fine most of the time, especially with the higher resolution separator columns. But we found that there was a co-eluting peak, parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid, which exactly co-eluted with the perchlorate, giving us unusually high results and false positives. Unlike the early days of mass spectrometry detection, where we had to have only our most senior, most talented, and technically savvy people operating the instrument, we were able to scale it down and work with our general population of chemists with the chemist job title. Now, keep in mind, we try to hire the best people, but these are people with, say, 7 to 15 years of experience, and they're at the chemist level. They're not at our senior chemist or supervising chemist level. They found it easy to use. The software, while similar to the Chromeleon software we were already used to using, was a step beyond, and the MSQ detector was more advanced and easier to use than the MS detector that we had in the interim. The ISQ was the easier one to use, and it's more advanced. We already had the selectivity and the resolution with the MSQ Plus, but this is a step beyond as far as ease of use particularly, and the software.